एकलव्य कहाँ है? वेयर इज एकलव्य? वेयर इज एकलव्य? वह बैठक में है। ही इज इन द लिविंग रूम। ही इज इन द लिविंग रूम। वे क्या कर रहा है? What is he doing? What is he doing? वह लूडो किंग खेल रहा है। He is playing the Ludo King. He is playing the Ludo King. मेरा मोबाइल कहाँ है? Where is my mobile? Where's my mobile? मुझे लगता है मोबाइल कार में रह गया। I think the mobile was left in the car. I think the mobile was left in the car. कुत्ता कहाँ है? Where is the dog? Where is the dog? कुत्ता बाहर दरवाजे के पास बैठा है। The dog is sitting outside near the door. The dog is sitting outside near the door. कुत्ता क्या कर रहा है? What is the dog doing? What is the dog doing? कुत्ता सो रहा है। The dog is sleeping. The dog is sleeping. वह कौन है? Who is she? Who is she? वो मेरी बहन है। She is my sister. She is my sister. उसका नाम क्या है? What is her name? What's her name? उसका नाम शिवानी है। Her name is Shivani. Her name is Shivani. इस तस्वीर में वह कहाँ है? Where is she in this photograph? Where is she in this photograph? वह इंडिया गेट के सामने खड़ी है। She is standing in front of India Gate. She is standing in front of India Gate. रेलवे स्टेशन कहाँ है? Where is the railway station? Where is the railway station? रेलवे स्टेशन यहाँ से 5 मिनट की दूरी पर है। Railway station is 5 minutes away from here. Railway station is 5 minutes away from here. ATM कहाँ है? Where is the ATM? Where is the ATM? आसपास में कोई ATM नहीं है। There is no ATM nearby. There is no ATM nearby. क्या आप डांस शो में जाना चाहेंगे? Would you like to go to a dance show? Would you like to go to a dance show? हाँ, मुझे जाना है, लेकिन कब है? Yes, I want to go, but when is it? Yes, I want to go, but when is it? शुक्रवार शाम को on Friday evening मुझे कुछ काम है, मैं शुक्रवार को व्यस्त हूँ। I have some work, I'm busy on Friday. I have some work, I'm busy on Friday. आप क्या ढूंढ रहे हैं? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? मेरी जैकेट, मैं डॉक्टर के पास जा रहा हूँ। My jacket, I'm going to the doctor. My jacket, I'm going to the doctor. क्यों? समस्या क्या है? Why? What's the problem? Why? What's the problem? मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मुझे बुखार है। I feel like I have a fever. I feel like I have a fever. आपकी नियुक्ति का समय क्या है? What time is your appointment? What time is your appointment? 11:30 मैं अब जा रहा हूँ। अलविदा। 11:30 I'm going now. Bye. 11:30 I'm going now. Bye. आप किस समय उठते हैं? What time do you get up? What time do you get up? 6 बजे. It's 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. तुम इतनी जल्दी क्यों उठते हो? Why do you get up so early? Why do you get up so early? मुझे 7 बजे तक काम पर जाना होता है. I have to go to work by 7 o'clock. I have to go to work by 7 o'clock. मेरे पास एक अच्छी खबर है. I have one good news. I have one good news. क्या है? What is it? What is it? प्रियंका को बच्चा होने वाला है. Priyanka is going to have a baby. Priyanka is going to have a baby. बधाई हो, मैं उसके लिए बहुत खुश हूँ. Congrats, I'm so happy for her. Congrats, I'm so happy for her. मैं भी. Me too. Me too. उन्हें लड़का चाहिए या लड़की? Do they want a boy or a girl? Do they want a boy or a girl? उन्हें तो लड़की चाहिए. They want a girl. They want a girl. बच्चा कब होने वाला है? When is the baby due? When is the baby due? सितंबर की शुरुआत में. In the beginning of September. In the beginning of September. मैं आज रात प्रियंका को फ़ोन करूँगी. I will call Priyanka tonight. I will call Priyanka tonight. मैं अपने बेटे अंकित से बहुत नाराज़ हूँ. I'm very angry with my son Ankit. I'm very angry with my son Ankit. क्यों? क्या हुआ? Why? What happened? Why? What happened? अंकित पढ़ाई में बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं है. अंकित is not good in studies at all. अंकित is not good in studies at all. ये आश्चर्य की बात है कि अंकित एक स्मार्ट लड़का है. That's a surprise. अंकित is a smart boy. That's a surprise. अंकित is a smart boy. हाँ, लेकिन वह कभी पढ़ाई नहीं करता. Yes, but he never studies. Yes, but he never studies. क्या आपने उसके शिक्षकों से बात की? Did you talk to his teachers? Did you talk to his teachers? हाँ, मैंने उसकी अध्यापक से बात की थी. Yes, I did talk to his teacher. Yes, I did talk to his teacher. उन्होंने क्या कहा? What did he say? What did he say? वह एक अच्छा लड़का है लेकिन वह बहुत आलसी है. He is a nice boy but he is very lazy. He is a nice boy but he is very lazy. शायद वे सही हों. Maybe they are right. Maybe they are right. मुझे भी डर है. I'm afraid so. I'm afraid so. तुम्हें उसे ट्यूशन भेजना चाहिए. You should send him to tuition. You should send him to tuition. तुम बिल्कुल सही कह रही हो. You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right.